YouTube? I'm out here popping videos like crack now, you dig? But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. It's the Ginger31 to be exact. If you ain't know, now you should be knowing by now, because I'm steady keep dropping these mugs back to back to back to back to back to back. Or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Especially when I got time to jump in this mug. So for today's video, finna slide off on my little brother right quick. He got something going on with his car that he's getting done up to it, so he's trying to get his joint ready for the summertime or whatever. But it look like mugs is hauling a big ass atomic bomb or something. Like this thing was huge. I need to get over now though, for real. And all honestly, I'm finna probably shoot this whole thing with the GoPro, man. I mean, not the GoPro, my GoPro damn near dead, so I'm gonna shoot this whole thing with the phone. It's like people is, yeah, what is this driving we got going on? It's like, drive these motherfuckers, man. Alright, YouTube, now, I ain't come outside to get off on all this goddamn traffic and shit. Like, I just thought I was gonna make a quick run, come on back, get ready for work, and then I'll shoot the video on the way to work. Well, I'll shoot the video while I'm at work or whatever, however you want. So now I know what it is on this side of the highway. So on this side of the highway, we had a damn, looks like a funeral or something like that. Some of us got a funeral and we didn't want to get off in their line. Unlike how people was doing us in the Camaro line or whatever. But you're gonna have to wait, because you sit here and waited all that time. You could have been jumped your silly butt over. So now you're gonna have to wait. That's that car back there I'm talking about. We could have been gone and shit. So people don't know how to drive. So you need to get behind me with that bullshit. You need to learn how to drive, man.
West, Kansas City.
People can't drive out here and think you just finna hold all traffic and then cut over in front of me. You had ample amount of time to get over. That's the stuff I'll be talking.
Turn left on Veterans Memorial Parkway.
Got me going all over town. I don't know where I'm going. These folks don't know where they going. They're taking all day. Some more shit. Right now, that boy, he up here somewhere. Hopefully, I ain't them birds ain't take a shit on me. Not none. Not no shit. All right, that was real lucky. Definitely lucky. Ain't take a shit on me. Oh, man. That's the word. We're killing G up in here, got everything he owned in the backseat of this motherfucker. Yeah. Alright, man, we have to redo those shits, man. Go here. Pick up Elroy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna turn all the way, but I got gang in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Know y'all be wanting that, man. Stop this one. Alright, we got a little bro up in this motherfucker now. We got the camera situated because we was having a little technical difficulties and shit like that, but you know what I'm saying? He's a Mustang on. It is what it is. We love all cars and shit like that. I might have to show him some raw power before he get the fuck up out of here though. I have to show him. It's like, man, this part of town though, man, you know how they act. You know how they act. I heard it downstream YouTube. He does. The boy got scared, looked out his phone. Usually gotta catch passengers slipping and stuff. I got a few videos I wanna do. I wanna put Pops behind the wheel. I wanna put Moms behind the wheel too, you know what I'm saying? Those will be coming up sometime this year. We're gonna slow it down through here though. We tripping. Big trip. Come here. man. I just give a couple pulls, let little bro feel the raw power before I put her in the gym. You know what I'm saying? Right now she's still stock. So once I can get in the gym, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be more power than this. Probably gonna have to change tires, some more stuff. Probably gonna go up to like 305s or something. So right now I'm on 275s. Man, I straight had to slow that motherfucker down because shit, the lowest I'm driving, this motherfucker bumpy too. Like, man, I'm gonna show you. Hold up, where it's at? Really can't find it. Whatever. So I'm driving and it's hella bumpy and shit. I'm going hella fast. Man, I done sank down to that motherfucker and just I've been bouncing like a, you know what I'm saying, low riding a Dr. Dre video or some shit like that, man. So I'm just like, let me slow this motherfucker down before I been knock the splitter off and see that bitch flying in, and then we gotta put another one on. Though I might just give up on that mess for real. I don't know, but can't be turning up the cosmetic minds, man, trying to blow people doors off and shit like that.
Yeah. Definitely can't wait to see what that motherfucker gonna do though.
Like, yeah, just that. I mean, these new cars, they pretty cool with what they can do. Like, we really ain't got to do the downshifting for real. We can just tap that. I think they call it like active performance shift or something like that. Just tap the gas real hard. That put that mug in the zone. It's ready. Ready? Shit. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah, that mug can have that joint up in the dome. I don't know why camera don't. That boy scared of that camera action, huh? Trying to get him on this camera and shit, man, because if y'all don't know, man, my dog got a couple songs out, man. Y'all gonna check that shit out. Definitely. All man, I'm not finna tell it. Let him tell it.
Glizzy Kills, What's the Move? And then we got
Gang in this bitch.
Check it out.
Go check it out. All platforms. iTunes.
Yeah.
Check him out. Even go check him out on Instagram too. Yeah, what?
Glizzy_Kills.
You dig?
Hey.
So we got a lot of stuff coming this year. Where, you know, Muggs is trying to tap into some other things. That's just a little small token of what we got cracking this year. But I ain't putting my joint in the gym just yet, so you know. Oh shit, it's about time for me to go home and get ready for work myself. So yeah, he got about 2 days for his car to come out the gym. Stay tuned for everything.
Yeah.
If I had my damn GoPro sticky thing, the GoPro one don't be working like this one, but that phone one, I just keep the GoPro on the stick. We ready for action. Up in the scope. Up in the scope. Hold up. I ought to put that joint in neutral and scare the old man, but he been beat up the front of my hood or some shit. You little young whippersnappers, stop that shit and shit like that or some shit. I don't know, man.
What do you say, Thursday?
Yeah, what? Tomorrow, at least Thursday or something like that.
Shit. I'm a bank on Thursday.
Alright.
Bro.
Alright, so look, like I said before, thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all know who it is, y'all know what it is. This is the ThaGinger31 to be exact. And I'm about to end this video because I'm finna get home and get ready for work. I'll give y'all a nice little pull though. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm out.